Sabi niya dito, sa mga walang common sense na nag-agree sa'yo. Wow! Ang point lang naman ng tao is yung Noche Buena is once a year. And so what? If it's once a decade? If it's once a millennia? Diba? Here's the thing. The fact that despite the DTI's research on food prices, they still came up with that. Yun yung minimum eh. Diba? Yun yung minimum requirements para makapag Noche Buena ka. What's wrong with suggesting a minimum requirements? Kung may pambili ka, edi mag Noche Buena ka na lagpas 500. Diba? Eh kung wala kang panglampas ng 500, anong gagawin? Ano, idodonate mo ba yung kayamanan mo para celebrate ng bongga yung mga mahihirap? Hindi mo rin naman siya gagawin, di ba? So, bakit ka nagvi-virtue signaling towards giving someone a fest nang hindi man lang, di ba, ginagamitan ng kahit ninong resources? Here's the thing, if they're suggesting this budget for people under poverty lane, then they could have worded it properly. They could have said, a normal Noche Buena for 5 people in the family with average income ay naglalaro sa 5 to 6K. Ang problema kasi dito, Filipinos take offense sa dapat naman hindi. 'Di ba? Bakit kailangan maglabas ng ganyang klaseng food budget range ang DTI? Para saan? Para ma-recognize na yung mga middle income class kayang gumastos or mag-splurge ng 5 to 6K for a Noche Buena, na aabot hanggang New Year's Eve yung spaghetti at masisira lang yung ibang pagkain kasi sobrang dami din sila naghanda. 'Di ba? Anong sense ng ganun? Para lang ma-call out kayo na ito yung kalagayan nyo ngayon. Kailangan yung ibang tao yung magsabi ng kalagayan nyo ngayon para ma-realize nyo kung ano yung lagay nyo ngayon. Ganon? If you're under the minimum wage, then the lowest we can suggest for you is a 500 peso budget. I agree with the words, but you know, it's a bit of saying it politically correct. Now, the problem with politically correct statement is that people will still find offense. Kahit gaano ka politically correct yung wording mo, people will still find it offensive. And sa totoo lang mahirap magpaliwanag. Yan yung isa sa pinakamahirap na profession pag yung profession mo is involved yung pagpapaliwanag. Now, I could cut them slack again with how they phrase it, because most likely baka yung capabilities nila is tuned in to more on parang managerial, so on and so forth, kasi well, they're in the leadership position, so on and so forth, blah blah blah. So yun, kaya naman galit ang mga tao sa DTI is failed to acknowledge the price hikes. Maganda kasi na ma-open up nila para marinig ang ibang sector ng government, since this will be a good discussion regarding kung paano nila pabababain yung price ng food, or what could the government offer to its people amidst the high price. Ganito yan. If what people say is totoo, inutil ang gobyerno, 'di ba? Walang gagawin yan para umunlad ang buhay mo. What if, 'di ba? What if totoo 'yun? And totoo rin tong ibang bagay tulad ng if you want premium goods, then you need to pay for premium prices. What now? Masyado kasing nasasaktan ng Pilipino when it comes to pointing out their current capabilities, when it comes to skills, life, so on and so forth. Now, again, hindi mali yung magreklamo sa mga bagay na dapat improve, lalo na sa gobyerno. But if you keep on blaming them and you're doing nothing aside to blame them or asking them to move towards your goal, then you will realize that it's going to be harder to ask people to move towards your goal or to bring you towards your goal rather than you yourself yung gumagawa ng paraan with what you have, with whatever resources that you have, diba? Para mapunta ka dun sa goal mo. Mas madali yung pangalawa dun. Because mas controllable mo yung effect ng mga actions na gagawin mo kesa maghintay ka doon sa ibang tao yung gumalaw para sa'yo. Yung message ng DTI is, yes, very insensitive, very direct, but nonetheless, it is what it is. It's aligned with the truth. Kung wala kang pang Noche Buena, ang minimum para magkaroon kayo ng feast ng 4 na tao sa isang pamilya is 500. If you don't want to accept, and then that's fine. Do something about it. Diba? Work for it. Now, yung problema nyo sa corrupt government officials that actually contributes to the cost of you affording only 500 pesos sa Noche Buena, you can do that in some political actions. Bumoto ng tama, sumali sa mga grupo or sumuporta sa mga grupong kumakalaban sa corrupt government officials tulad ng C4GG or Mayors for Good Governance, di ba? Or isumbong sila sa any government offices. Ganon ka-limited yung option na pwede mong magawa. Now, on the contrary, doon sa pagpapaunlad sa sarili mo, should I say more? Mas marami kang pwedeng gawin doon. 'Di ba? Mas marami kang pwedeng gawin doon sa pagpapaunlad sa sarili mo kung uumpisahan mo yung tanong kung paano mo kaya magagawa yung bagay na to. 1% every day. 1% better every day is better than 100% improvement overnight. Magsimula ka lang sa pinakamaliit na pwede mong magawa. Diba? Gusto mong mag-improve yung vocabulary mo, magbasa ka. Maraming babasahin sa internet. Gusto mong matuto ng other language, you have free tutorials, videos. We have the greatest library in our palms right now, and yet no one sa mga Pilipino seems to be taking advantage of those technologies. Scatter pwede, sugal pwede, pero bakit yung mag-improve sa sarili ayaw? Diba?
This is Pinoy Extreme.